Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Bringing Back Basic Gray. This is a collaboration that Bourbon Creek Crafts came up with. She's here on YouTube. The link is in the description down below. And our friend Stampin' Cat also joins us on Instagram, and there's a link to her Instagram also. This month I stumbled into some pink, which is unusual for me, and I didn't know it was in there. But I decided, because of the color palette that I had, that I would make a Valentine for my Valentine. And I also made a birthday card, a bright, wow birthday card. Basic Gray is a little tricky to work with because they've moved on to fabric. So you can't just go out and buy embellishments. You've got to come up with your own, which means on my Basic Gray cards, I might get a little wilder with how I lay things out, or I've had to come up with my own embellishment ideas. So here I've got these bright pink glitter letters that are actually thick. They're like chipboard or something, so that really makes them pop. And then I did a happy birthday, and I die cut the striped paper that goes with this collection. This is Sugar Rush, and it's not my favorite parts of Sugar Rush. All the parts I really love are gone out of my stash. And the happy birthday just pops really well, and then because I have it on a white card base, that gives it another little pop. So it doesn't have a lot of fancy embellishments, but it's bright. I could maybe add some enamel dots or, some sort of bling. Maybe for Amy, she would like some bling. I might do that. And then on this one, this paper that says love in several different languages is in the collection. And this is that same striped paper that I did the die cutting with here. And then it was a lot. It was really bright. So I knocked it back with a piece of vellum. And I'm sure I have a Happy Valentine's Day stamp, but I thought blessed was very appropriate for my Valentine because I am very blessed to have him. Those are my 2 cards for Bringing Back Basic Gray. Come check with us each month on the 18th. It might not be cards. It could be, sometimes I'll make a journal. Beth will make scrapbook pages. You just never know what you'll find. Ooh, I did mini books one time. It depends on what I run across in my stash and how it inspires me. Be sure to check out Beth. Kathy is probably taking this month off. I'm not sure. She might still be joining us if she had some stuff prepared. Then come back and see us again next month on the 18th. Those of you who are quilters, you're probably enjoying Basic Gray now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.